Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace your CV joint on a Volkswagen Golf 6 1.6 102 cavalry horsepower. I mean, we're in Italy, so that's what we're going to see. 102 cavalry, which means horsepower. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'm going to remove my center cover, then I'm going to put back the wheel again to remove this CV boot. So I'm going to insert my 25 socket on this CV joint boot. Then with my long breaker bar like this, I'm going to break it loose. Yeah. And at this point, I can even turn it by hand. This one, yeah. Guys, this is how we're going to do. So we are going to move this down like this. Yeah. So we're going to lose this all the way. We are going to break loose this. With a screwdriver, we can tap it out like so. Yeah, this way is out. It's now out. So now with a flat screwdriver, we're going to insert it inside here. Yeah, to remove this one here, we are going to put in our CV bolt again, like so. We are going to tighten it all the way in so that it will remove the CV joint. So I can back it out. Backing out. So now I'm going to open it like this with a sleeve. out. This one also is out, like so. Yeah. Then here we are going to pull out this one here. This dirty grease we're going to clean it off, then put a new one, a new boot. Going to put them on the CV joint. So let's start. First, don't forget, this is the main dish. I have to put it first before any other thing, like this, having it inside like this. This is how it is. Then this is your boot. You're going to insert your boot. To put these two washers, they go in like this. This way, we're going to put behind the rubber one. Then two of them, they go in like this. That's how it turn out. We have cleaned all the grease, the old grease from the knock, the CV joint. So now we're going to put in a new one that came with it, the boots. So we're going to put it inside. Now we're going to put in the grease like this, inside, like all the way around. Do your best to put as much as possible.